Okay, good morning. I am Franck from Interface Concept, and as you maybe know, Interface Concept is a developer, a manufacturer, and a vendor of different type of board, amongst with single board computer, FPGA board, and Internet switch for VME, compact PCI, and of course VPX market. And as a developer of Ethernet switch, we are really and deeply involved in the development of hardware and also software. And I would say that before the 10 giga Ethernet come in that market, we were really and mostly focused on the development and the improvement of our software with new functionalities that the customers may ask, or with new requirement, new RFC we had to integrate in our software. Instead of taking care about the real hardware issues or integration issues that were almost not existing at that time. But the market is evolving, and the requirement for more processing, more speed in terms of communication channel is there, and that changed a little bit the rules of the way to design the product now. And 25 to 100 gig is obvious today. We have to go that way. We have to integrate that technology. But in the same time, we have to figure out what is a trade-off, what are the challenges, what are the risks. And this is a topic of this presentation, by the way. So as Hendrix, I feel interesting to have a look on what happened the past 20 years with the Ethernet. And so I did just a parallel between the adoption of the standard in the IEEE and the ratification or the adoption of these new protocols in the Vita, by the way, because that's the topic of this discussion. And it is interesting to see that what was the level of speed of Ethernet, so 1010 gig, 10 to 40 gig, now 20 to 100 gig. There were a delay of 5 years, or 4 to 5 years, before the integration and the adoption by the Vita. And so it's funny because 5 years, 4 to 5 years is something that we know in our market. This is a typical introduction of a new technology in our products, the typical introduction of or development of a system by our integrator, typical time, I mean. But okay, maybe it's a coincidence. However, this delay is really, let's say, tightly connected to different factors that are related also